Call it delusion or ego, call it whatever you like. I'm on my own vibe, watering seeds from the tears that I cried. I'm making fans of my critics, castles I built in my mind. Took some alone time, put my phone on airplane mode, I'm flying so high. I got right with my psyche. I wake up like I don't chase, I attract. Universe has got my back. Like me, must be my energy. I decided it's a fact. Everything I want, I have. Like me, must be my energy. I'm like a sleepwalker living my daydream. Don't wake me up from my life. Not scared of vampires, they can't suck me dry when I'm so damn alive. 2020, got perfect vision like visionary. God is my witness, yeah, luck is a lady and karma's a bitch on my side. I don't chase, I attract. Universe has got my back. Like me, must be my energy. I decided it's a fact. Everything I want, I have. Like me, must be my energy. Must be my
This dance is called My Energy, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, high intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 1 tag and 1 restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, step right foot forward to right diagonal, sweep your left, make a quarter turn to your right, facing 3, cross, quarter turn left, back, quarter turn left, side, sweep your right, facing 9, diamond, half turn to your right with a cross, cross, side, 1/8 turn right, back, back, facing 10-30, 1/8 turn right, side, 1/8 turn right, forward, 1/8 turn right, cross, facing 3 o'clock. Run around, 3/4 turn to your left in arc, stepping, left, right, left facing 6, section 2, press, right foot forward, recover, sweep your right, point back, half turn right, step down on your right foot, sweep your left, make a quarter turn to your right, facing 3, weave, cross, side, behind, side, touch, quarter turn to your left, small step, side, point, facing 12, 1/4 turn to your right, quarter turn right, forward, half turn right, back, half turn right, forward, facing 3 o'clock. Section 3, half turn right, step left foot back, sweep your right, behind, side, cross, hit your left, make a 1/8 turn right, facing 10-30, left foot, step, lock, step, right foot, step, lock, step, forward, 3/8 turn to your left, back together, facing 6, samba, cross, side, forward to your right diagonal. Last section, cross and dip, point to the side, Monterey 3/4 turn to your right, point to the side, facing 3 o'clock. Samba, cross side forward to your left diagonal, 1/8 turn to your left, forward, hit your left, facing 130, back, sweep your right, back, sweep your left, half turn to your left, sailor step. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and In this dance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 16 counts with step change. Then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with count starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now change the steps to half turn right, sailor step. 8, Now you're facing 12, restart the dance. 1. At the end of wall 3, there's a 2 count tag facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with right foot, rock forward, recover. With counts 1, 2. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.